This week on The Gateway, we have a very special episode. You might have seen those permeable posts popping up everywhere. Wondering what it's all about? And more importantly, how can you be part of it? If you had over 100 EXP in the ARIO ecosystem, whether you're an active ArNS user, a gateway operator, or someone contributing to ArDrive or other community efforts, you qualified for the ARIO Airdrop. But don't wait too long. You have until February 7th, 2025 to register. So what's next? Step 1. Head over to airdrop.r.io. Step 2. Click Connect. Make sure your ArConnect wallet is set up, or use MetaMask if you prefer if you're an Ethereum user. Step 3. The system will check your registration status. If you're eligible, you'll choose your token option. Option 1. Register for liquid tokens, unlocked and ready for you to use or transfer. Option 2. Choose pre-stake tokens. They're locked for 90 days, but you get bonus rewards and access to the network's reward system. You gotta pick your option and that's final. No changing your mind later. You'll get your permeable number and an image. Make sure to share this and help spread the word. The other thing that might happen is you'll see this. It means you didn't have 100 EXP, but thanks for checking. The tokens won't be distributed until the mainnet launch. We don't have specific dates yet, so keep an eye out for updates. Don't be the person who misses out. Register now because time's ticking. So let's go and grab some ARIO. Thanks for tuning in, folks. This is Andrew signing off.